The river test in full flood. These sappers are dismantling a dam put in yesterday because it simply couldn't cope with the flow. The sheer power of this river in full flood is absolutely awesome. 15 tonnes of water a second are heading downstream, and that poses a real challenge for the Royal Engineers, who are now tasked with building an even stronger structure.
What we're doing is trying to stem the flow in the Fish Lake stream, which runs into the middle of Romsey and is currently at far too high a level and is eroding some embankments. So we're trying to stem the flow in that river. 25
soldiers are involved in this operation, and trying to tame the floodwaters can be dangerous work.
We've got the fire service here, and they've been very helpful. They've been doing dynamic risk assessments for us, and they've taken the lads through a comprehensive safety brief and actions on if they do go in the water. And the lads are fully squared away with their skills and drills when they do, if and when they do go in. It's definitely different from what we'd normally be doing, but the engineers, the Royal Engineers, are ideally suited to this job. We have had experience working with scaffolding, working with the tools, and it's something that the lads took in their stride.
We put one in yesterday and put the cladding down the front, and we were taking about 3 tonnes a second out of the flow. So we left that in overnight, so we reduced the water levels throughout the night. But this morning the structure had started to bend, so what we've done is take the decision to strip it out, rebuild it stronger and get it back in again so that we can take even more pressure out of the flow.
This unit will be working late into the night under floodlights to build a new barrier. Then they're in for another tense wait to see if it holds. Will Inglis, Forces News, near Romsey.